Today, we're on Adam's farm. Can you help me find clean animals to eat? Over there is a cow. Do you see the cow? Can we eat this?
Yeah.
You got it right. I see a sheep. Can we eat sheep?
Yeah.
Keep it up. You're doing fantastic. What is this animal called? Oh! Can we eat a goose?
Yeah.
Try again.
No.
You got it right. On the Adams farm, there are so many animals. I like horses. Can we eat a horse? Hurry, the time is ticking.
No.
You got it right. What's that sound? Can we eat chickens? Wait, did you say something?
Yeah.
Keep it up. You're doing fantastic. Goats' feet are divided into two. Can we eat goats?
No.
Try again.
Yeah.
Over there, I see something pink and oinks. What is that? Can we eat it?
No.
Keep it up. You're doing fantastic. I see something brown and have 4 legs. That's right. You got it. It's a donkey. Can we eat a donkey?
No.
This animal lives in water, but sometimes on land, and quacks. What is it? That's right, a duck. Can we eat a duck?
No.
I see something white, and it hops around. What is it? A rabbit! You are smart. Can we eat a rabbit?
No.
I hope you had a fun time because I did too. Thank you guys for watching.